So your electric log splitter won't start. You plugged it in, you pushed the button, nothing. If you tried the reset on the side of it and that did nothing, then all you really have to do is, before you think that the motor's finished, open up the side panel where the on and off switch is. Should be 6 screws holding it on, and inside is one of these things. This is a capacitor. This is the little critter that actually starts the engine. Now, it should be perfectly round, but if you see, look at this one. This one's toast. I don't know what's going on here. It exploded inside. This one I think cost $18 to fix. So it cost me $18 to fix the electric wood splitter. So all you really got to know, I know if you don't know, then it can be overwhelming, but all you really got to know about this little critter is this number here, and this number here. This CBB60SH is the identification number, and this ADU is the amount of power, I guess, that gets her going. This is what you got to match up, no matter what it is. This is the number you got to look for. This is what you got to match up, and this is what you got to try to match up. Now this is the old one. I already installed the new one. The new one, which was the same size, it just didn't have all this whatever's going on here all over it. And I made sure that it said this. I made sure that it said this. And here, where it says 2570 and 21, the one I installed said 4070 and 21. But that don't matter. Like I said, all you got to do is look for this and look for this. But if your unit looks like this, well, I mean, look at it. It's finished, right? But it's an easy fix. Pop off the 6 screws, buy one of these. I ordered mine on eBay. All I did was I put CBB60SH, and a whole list of them came up, and all I had to do was match this number, and I matched this number, and that was it. It worked out. The rest really didn't matter. So, good luck.